Need to know how old your appliance is? Maybe you're deciding whether to repair or replace. Or you bought a house and don't know when the appliances were installed. Here's how to find out. Method 1. The serial number. Most manufacturers encode the manufacture date in the serial number. The trick is knowing how to read it. Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, Amana. The second character in the serial number is a letter representing the year. They use a rotating code. Google your brand plus serial number date code, and you'll find the lookup chart. Samsung. The serial number starts with a letter for the month and a digit for the year. For example, R9 means September 2019. LG. Look for a date code that follows a similar pattern. The first digit often represents the year. GE. The second two characters of the serial number indicate the month and year. Method 2. The FD or DOM date. Some manufacturers print a plain English manufacturing date directly on the label. Look for FD, DOM, or MFG date followed by a month and year. Method 3. Online lookup tools. Websites like Appliance411.com have serial number decoders for all major brands. Enter your serial number, and it tells you the manufacture date. Method 4. The original receipt or purchase records. If you bought the appliance yourself, check your email or credit card records. Why it matters. Knowing the age helps with repair or replace decisions and warranty claims. Appliance age assessment included with every service call. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.